is by far the biggest online creative platform, and if you are new to Canva, in this video I'm going to show you 10 things you can do with Canva. I'm going to show you a simple way you can master designing with Canva, okay, in less than 10 minutes. If you are an expert, I have a gift for you. I'm going to give you access to our Pro link, that is our Teams link, that is going to give you access to the Pro version of Canva for free. Something you'll be spending like $130 every year to buy. I'm going to give it to you for free right about now in this video. So if you're an expert that has been using Canva for a while, stick with me to the very end. I will share the free link to the Pro version of Canva for you. If you're a beginner, you can make use of Canva to design mockups, okay? So like shirt mockups, marks, like curves, like anything you want to do a mockup for. But wait, before we get there, I know you are serious about making money online. I want to encourage you to start your own profitable online business. I'm giving you an invite to our community where you will get access to 7 profitable online skills, money-making skills that you can learn to be able to make money for yourself and also build upon a business you can rely on for full-time income. If you are interested in this, look below the video, you will see the link, access the community, and you will never regret the decision you will make. All right, all you have to do is head on to Canva and then search for mockup, okay? Once you search for mockup, you will see different mockup designs in terms of shirts, in terms of anything, even website designs, product designs, and all of that. You can use Canva for your mockups. Secondly, you can do logo designs with Canva. All you have to do, go to Canva, search for logo. You can also do flyers with Canva, design your business flyers with Canva. You can do your call cards with Canva. You can do video advertisements with Canva for social media ads and all that. You can also do posters and then covers, all right? If you want to design posters and then covers with Canva, you can be able to do that. And also books and ebook covers. So for example, if you're someone that writes books, you can make use of Canva's book designing template. All you have to do is head on to Canva and search for books, okay? You will just see templates of books that have already been done. All you have to do is click on the template you like and then start editing it right away. You can also do book cover, and then you will find the book cover templates that you can actually make use of and then turn them into your own book covers. Social media posts, I've already talked about that. You can make use of Canva to design social media graphics. I have a video on this channel, I believe in the description, that allows you to be able to actually create up to 50 or even 100 social media posts at a time using the bulk create feature of Canva together with ChatGPT. I will leave in the link for you to be able to check that as well. Okay, we can design brochures, business brochures with Canva as well. And then animation, you can do animation to your text, to your graphics, and make it a video form with Canva. And then the final thing, you can do infographics with Canva. All right, if you're a beginner, I want to walk you through a simple method you can use, okay? A simple way to understand how Canva works and how you can actually make use of this platform. Okay, so this is how it happens. When you go on Google, you can just search for Canva, or you can just go straight to canva.com. All right, when you come to canva.com, you can create an account if you want. You can connect with your Gmail, whatever email, your Facebook, and create an account. So this is how you're going to see your interface when you log into your account. It's going to be a free version, but of course, like I said, I'll give you the pro version in this video later on. So just search for whatever you want to design. If it's a logo, search for logo, and you're going to get lots of templates like this. Okay, so this is a logo I want, the template that I want actually. So let me hit on this template. Okay, let me hit on the template, and then I'm going to design this particular template, make sure that it looks exactly the way I want it. I'm going to show you how you can design the background. You can touch on the text. You can even add extra image and elements to this particular logo design. Okay, so let me see. Yes, this is A and this is L, right? But these are all images. Okay, these are pictures, but I can choose to change the colors if I want. But the first thing is the background. How do I want my background logo to look like? Maybe I want it to be black, so I can just hit here, anywhere here, choose a color and come to black. So I have black and it looks solid. So I can save this as a new version of my logo if I want, or I can just come to the images, change the color to maybe red, change this to also red as well. Then the other half, I'll also be able to change those halves to also red as well if I want. Then this text, I can simply come here, change the text to red if I want as well. Now, the whole thing is for everything you want to edit. I paused with this because it looks nice to me with a red and yellow blend. Okay, I want to make this green so that it will look like a Ghana flag. Okay, so red, gold, green, excellent. All right, so this has to be red as well. And the simplest way to learn how to use Canva is that you can change backgrounds, you can change colors for backgrounds, you can add images as backgrounds if you want to. If this is an image, you can right click, okay, then set as background, but this is not a full image, it's a graphic. Okay, so I'll go to elements, that is where we get images and graphics, okay, then I'll look for an image, all right, like photo, okay, so what I have to do is click on that image. I can push it to make it the background, or I can right click on it, okay, and then replace background. Once I hit replace background, this image will become the background. Okay, so it's the background now. So let me just, oh wow, it looks good. So I'll leave it like that. I have a new idea for my logo. It looks excellent. Okay, so that is how to change your background. You can change the color, you can put an image, you can do anything. Okay, so now this image happens to be the background of my logo. Okay, you can make use of these things and change the graphics, change the text. For example, I can add a few effects from here. Click on this and there's an effect if I want. I can change the color of the effect. And there is a small tool here, pen here, you can make use of if you want to pick any color from here. Okay, like I picked the red. Okay, that is something you can actually make use of. Or I can pick the yellow if I want. But I just come in here again, come into the color. And the text, I want to make this white. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I can just pick this pen and bring it here, make it a yellow, and it's a yellow, of course. I can pick any color I want, or I can just look through the list here and then pick this white color. So I feel my logo looks okay, but I don't want the green background. I don't want my background to be green at all, so I can just choose white if I want. And white also looks solid because my logo colors on white is excellent. So this is an easy approach for you to play around Canva. How to add images, how to add text. Just go to text, click on add text, or you can use this styled text by just dragging them, bringing them here, by making the necessary additions you want to do. Okay, that's the text we brought. Let me delete it quickly. So you can add any text in terms of headings and all that. The brand section takes care of everything that you have for your brand, your logos, your flyers, you can keep them here. Upload allows you to upload your own resources if you want. Then you can also draw if you want. You can draw something, you can sign, you can do anything. Okay, that is with the draw feature. You can even choose between pens, and you can choose the color of your pen or the size of your pen. Okay, the projects, you can use this to categorize all the projects that you are working on at a particular time. All right, and then the apps here has different apps that will help you to perform different functionalities, including charts, photos, bulk creation that allows you to create a lot of graphics all at the same time. All right, so if you're a beginner, make use of the template, make use of the elements section, because here you get a lot of tools, lots of freebies you can use. Some of them are paid, but of course you can use the Pro link to be able to access all these elements for free. Under design templates, there are lots of other templates that you can talk about. You can see lots of other design ideas in terms of logo ideas, and you can swap anytime. If you don't want this, you can just swap. But I love this, so I'm going to save it first. So I have to go here, share, and then come to download. Okay, I can make it transparent if I want. I can choose a size that I want. Okay, if I want, and I can just hit on download. It's going to download this particular file for me. I can also lock the element of the file so that nothing can be moved or edited. Okay, so you can see I cannot edit anymore. I can just lock it to protect it, or I can duplicate this page to make it 2 if I want. And I can do a whole lot of other things if I want to. Okay, so this is a simple guide. I know it's going to help you to be able to design at least your logo, your call card, your flyers, and a few other templates that you can make use of in your design areas for your business. Or maybe you can actually sell these as services on Fiverr and make some cool cards for yourself. I'll be leaving the link to the Pro team, the link in the video description for you to be able to access and then get to the Pro version of Canva and use it for yourself. At the time of doing this video, we had a lot of space and people can actually access. But if you are watching this video now and you are not going to be able to enter the Teams link because we might have hit our limit at the time of joining, you can just go to Google as usual. Like I always say, go on Google, search for Canva Teams, okay, link, free, okay, and you will see blogs that are doing this. But another smart way to do this is to come to YouTube, okay, and then search for Canva Teams link, okay. It's a simple trick, it will help you very much. Then when you come and search from here, just go to filters and then go to maybe today, okay, so that you will see only videos that were posted today about Canva Pro or Canva Teams link, and then you can be able to watch them and get access to the Teams link for yourself. Thank you very much. I'll be leaving all the related videos in the description. I'll be leaving some on the screen as well for you to watch. I'll catch you in the next one.